presenting a pre-owned 2015 Mazda Mazda6 iSport. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mazda has less than 234,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.